Cool.
Okay.
This shit's awesome.
This shit sucks.
Dude, I'm definitely the orange cat.
You think this is wrong?
He's a chef. He's a chef.
He's a chef.
Oh, my hungry ass.
That's my
Dude, I can't focus on this. I'm balls deep in the 23 flavors of Dr. Pepper. Oh my god, with the assembly line right now is ridiculous.
This is probably what it felt like whenever Harrison Ford
this is not what I want.
invented the assembly line.
Harrison Ford?
Yeah, him. Yeah, it was him.
Harrison Ford did that?
Yeah.
Final dish, final dish. Fuck.
You gotta say it.
Oh, I did it.
No, we lost.
Did we lose?
Tutorial?
Fuck this. The overcooked.
How is a meatball gonna eat enough vegetables? What's the logic behind that?
Oh.
I'm insane, I'm crazy. That's what Kodak Black said.
Okay. He also said, I'm Kodak Black, but when you see me, I'm white.
What?
Yeah.
Why did he say that?
My name Kodak Black, but when you see me, I'm white. That's what he said.
What does that even mean?
I don't know.
Okay, it's only worse from here. It's only going downhill. I'm just trying to do my job. Becomes murderer.
Oh, nice. We
just
handed
passed
that
it
off.
off.
That was awesome.
That was sweet.
Fuck. Out of my way! Bitch!
I'm insane. I'm nuts. Oh shit.
Uh-oh. Hold up. I gotta pick my nose after that. Picking nose.
Yes, do it.
Oh, shit. I wasn't ready.
Ah, fuck.
Scratching my nuts.
Okay,
I have a fire extinguisher.
So it's gonna like send this stuff.
This is fucking chef right here. Dude, we are fucking just assembly line right now.
We are literally Harrison Henry Ford.
Harrison Johnson Joseph Mary Ford.
Yeah, pretty much. More or less. We're flying through 280.
Oh, fuck.
This must be like.
This must be a video game. Start cranking out burgers.
I feel like that's not sanitary. But I just did. I just put a raw burger on the plate that's we're gonna use to serve somebody food.
Dirty. I need some buns.
Okay. Here's a tomato.
Dude. Fuck, man. 160. Okay, that's not bad.
That means it's gonna be really hard.
No.
Yes.
You can't.
Oh. Is this the one with the rats? There's one where you have to smack the shit out of rats.
With what, like a gun?
No, with your hands. Just...
How? Nice.
276. What was the goal? 150?
160.
God, we're so good at this game.
Yes.
I thought this was gonna be harder.
Yeah, this sucks.
What
a year!
Oh, just gonna throw shit on the floor. That's definitely.
No, it's fine.
I don't think the.
Dude, everyone knows the places with no health code
are the best.
Are the best. Here, dish.
Huh?
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Oh, that's
Simon.
Definitely gonna burn.
Fuck. Let me in. Let me in. Oh, shit. Simon.
Get the fire extinguisher. Oh, no, you got it.
Let's
Holy
go.
Shit.
Dude, stop throwing it on the fucking floor.
Nah, I can't.
We're almost done.
We are?
Meat. Done.
Really?
Yippee! This guy just fucking dogged him.
I don't know, he's a dick. I don't want to be.
No, no!
What?
The lore, Simon!
I don't give a fuck about the lore. Dude. The fuck?
Simon, drive the car to the place, man. Simon, just drive it.
I'm gonna put a bomb.
You're so close. You're so close,
I'm gonna
Simon.
put a bomb under your pillow and kill you. It's gonna blow up. I wonder if that was audible.
I wonder if that picked up.
Haha.
Haha, beep beep. I don't need tomatoes.
We do. Oh shit, that's the fire hydrant. Oh, the fire
department.
That's the fire department. Yep. The entire audio is just gonna be tapping your screen.
Dude, fuck the audio, man. What was the requirement for this one?
Probably less than what we have.
Fuck. No. We got it.
No, I'm talking about we won already.
Oh, did we?
I think so. So fuck them.
Ding, ding, ding.
Fuck all of the rest of the
Fuck all of them.
customers. Fucking customers.
No! 240?
Well, we fucking lost?
Oh.
Are you shitting my dick?